Wait, hi guys. Today we'll be playing. What's that game called again? Oh my god, keep forgetting what this game is called. Don't press the button 4. Yeah, there. Easy. What the? Round. What the hell, bro? Can someone go first? The ending will be hard, bro. The Giants. I'm not tiny enough. Now I have a bigger head. I'm gonna drink all the cola that I have. Oh, speaking of colors, speaking of colors, do you guys want me to play road trip? Wait, no, not called road trip. Oh, y'all. What the? Bro. Okay. You guys want me to die? Okay, fine, I'll accept, bro. Wait, does this guy watch my videos? Does this guy watch my videos? Wait, does he literally watch my... Oh, God. I just made a cat-looking human just for the game contact. Also, join my group, please. Let's go dog or bad. Just please. Join my group. Money. Bro. Hola FBI. What the? Someone said hola FBI, bro. I'm gonna go speed. All of them are there. I think I just said there. Right there. Yeah, Tootie or oh my god. Oh yeah, I'm not a giant no more. Bro! I didn't press the button. No! Hola amigo. Like I said, hola amigo. That was actually something else. A lot of people are struggling this part. Did they? Oh no. Die. Gamer lock. Gamer loose. Oh my god, I was gonna type in, how much minutes is this? Oh no. 4 minutes! Oh no, oh no! Oh no! Oh no. I'm spawning out a lot of... Oh no! dead. The door, but this is copyright music. So copyright. Oh my god. No, no. I reached the middle. There, now I reached the top. I'm the king of the cat. Oh, you dirty rascals. Oh, you dirty rascals. But thinking I can't get up there. Will that FBI open up? Dad didn't leave. Oh no! Wait, what? Stop the barrel. Stop the barrel! I found a Bloxy Cola. I got a Bloxy Cola. I can't touch the cactuses. Where is the Bloxy Cola? Wait, what? What's this? FBI trying to win me. Huh? Huh? Beep, beep. I'm the king of the castle. You don't want to go out here, you dirty rascal. What the hell, bro? What a gap. How much minutes is this, bro? 7 minutes.
I love you.
You gonna die. I'm not cheating. These are just gear. Oh, here. No, here. Here. I say hard. Wait. What the? Why does this sound like? What does this sound like? Construction building. Gap time. FBI. Open up. I'm making this up. How did he just get back? What the hell did he just get back? What, hours remaining? Wait, did it say I won? Wait, did it say I won, bro? FBI lost. Okay, my main target is FBI. FBI is the main target. There. Here. Laughing Ogre Rex. What the? Pumpkin monster. What's the pumpkin monster? I mean, I played this map before like 1,000 times. Because I have 220. I can respawn back. So easy. What the hell? I'm lost, bro. I'm lost. Come on, let me reset. So dark. I can't go back. Yeah, I can't. Drop some money. 12 minutes long. One more. Just one more. Just please. Maybe one troll. I'll make this like 13 minutes. Actually, no trolls today. The monster has died. To what? Outside? This is easy enough that the FBI ghost will die. Oh no, someone took my way! No! I'm gonna make this girl leave. Bruh. I'm gonna make this girl leave. Imagine, bro, I want one of those. I need Robux for this game. I need one. Oh, I need that. Watch out for what?
The most beautiful thing I've seen
In my life, it's a banana. Let's go banana. No, I don't want. People already died. I didn't see that coming, bro. That's it. Oh no. One more. What the? Oh no, what's going on, bro? What's going on? I want to lose my banana. I didn't see how much miracles. Out of order? What do you mean, bro? Is that the... Whoa. Get the hammer. Whoa, over there. Oh god, bro. This is the ending for the... Go! It's getting more cracks. Oh! Dude! Oh! Repair, dude! Repair! Oh! I want to use my banana! Go get it! Go get it! Oh no. Oh. That was a solve.